problem is already lined up. All you have to do is add. So that is 2, that is 15, and carry your 1. That's 8, and that's 1. And it's going to be negative because of the 2 negative signs in front of the numbers. And then don't forget to add your decimal place. And then you're done. The first thing that you have to do is borrow from the 5 because you can't subtract 6 from 3. So that's going to be 13. And so the first one is a 9, this one is a 7, this is a 2, and this is a 1. And then you have to add your decimal place. Now for the check step. We're going to round. So 4.02 would be 4. And 0.7 would be 1, which equals 4. And that is a reasonable answer. And then you're done. The first thing you're going to do is move the decimal over one place on both sides. And then place it up top. Then you ask yourself how many times does 2 go into 10, and it goes in 5 times. Then you would subtract that by 10. And put down your 6 and ask how many times 2 would go into 6, which is 3. And then you're done. The first thing that you're going to do is add 5.8 on each side. On this side you're left with W, but on this side you have to solve this problem. So the answer is W equals 7. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is minus 3.91 on each side. And then you're going to solve this problem, and that's going to be your answer. So your answer is 24.09. First thing that you're going to do is divide 1.2 on each side, because when you have a letter next to a number, you multiply. And then you're left with y on this side, so then you just have to solve this problem right here. Then you're going to set up the problem. So it's 1.44 divided by 1.2. And then you're going to move your decimal over, place it up top, and then 12 goes into 14 once. And then you have 2 left over, which is 24, and then 2. So then that equals 1.2. And then you're done. The first thing that you're going to do is, since you're dividing n into 8.2, you're going to go times 8.2 on both sides. And then you solve this problem right here, which I'm going to do right now. So n equals 4 equals 4.92. common denominator, all you have to do is add 6 plus 3 and then put it over the and that's it. Since you don't have the same common denominator, you have to find out which number is the right common denominator. Now, since you have that, you have to multiply. So 21 21st is going to stay the same, but 1 half has to change. The first thing that you have to do is find the reciprocal of 6/7 and then rewrite the problem. And the reciprocal is 7/6. Then you cross multiply, and 3 goes in 3 once, and it goes into 6 2 times. Then you solve, so this answer is 7/8. So you have to solve f plus 1 6 equals 5 6. To do that, you have to find out what n is. So you're going to subtract 1/6 from both sides.